Hi, wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hariharakli, and this is the Daily Brief. Impulse Space, founded by former SpaceX engineer Tom Mueller, has raised $300 million in a funding round led by Linz Capital, bringing total funding to $525 million, Reuters reports. The startup develops space tugs to move satellites between orbits, addressing rising demand for in-space mobility across commercial, civil, and defense sectors. With more than 30 contracts secured, the funds will help scale production, expand the team, and accelerate R&D for future orbital transport missions. Muon Space in Silicon Valley has secured $146 million in Series B funding to expand satellite production, vertically integrated propulsion and sensing systems, and scale its automated constellation operations platform, Tech Funding News reports. The funding, led by Congruent Ventures, follows a 50% workforce increase and more than $100 million in contracts in 2024. Muon also acquired Starlight Engines to bring solid-state propulsion in-house, supporting faster, safer, and more cost-effective satellite deployments for commercial and defense customers. In Europe, German startup Proxima Fusion has secured €130 million, or about $148 million, in a record-breaking Series A funding round, the largest private fusion investment in Europe, CNBC reports. Led by Cherry Ventures and Balderton Capital, the funding will accelerate development of Proxima's stellarator-based fusion power plants, with the goal of achieving a hardware demonstration by 2027 and commercial-scale plants in the 2030s. Founded in 2023 as a Max Planck Institute spin-out, Proxima aims to make clean, limitless fusion energy a reality for Europe's future. The UK government will invest £250 million, or about $340 million, in clean aviation technology, supporting projects focused on zero-emission flying, hydrogen and fuel cell systems, and lightweight materials, Reuters reports. Announced at the Paris Air Show, the funding, led by Airbus, Rolls-Royce and academic partners, aims to spur private investment, create jobs, and strengthen the aerospace sector. The initiative also seeks to boost startups and ready the supply chain for greener air travel. In more climate change-related news, here in India, the government plans to mandate air conditioner temperature settings between 20 degrees and 28 degrees for all ACs to improve energy efficiency and reduce electricity bills as ownership surges. Some expert engineers, such as Yash Tuck, founder of Standard Volumes, a new-age construction consultancy and services venture in Bengaluru, have argued that this alone isn't enough and that better building planning and using more scientifically appropriate materials in construction is crucial. One other quick headline today. The northeast region of India is being positioned as a $100 billion data center opportunity, leveraging its cool climate and renewable energy projects. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, do check out my India Tech Report In Conversation podcast. If you'd like to support my work, please subscribe to my newsletter, India Tech Report, to get all these in one place. I'm Hariharakli. Thank you for listening.